This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. In this video we will learn the function SUMIF in Excel. So here you can see that we have a table and it has multiple columns like the year, months like Jan, Feb, March, April, and total of all 4 months. Like this row you can find the total of the year 2018 of all 4 months, January, February, March, and April. So here we are gonna apply the formula SUMIF here in this cell. So first we will put n equal to sign in the formula bar. In here we'll type SUMIF SUMIF, which is the name of the function, and actually if you see that it gives you the explanation of this function, it adds the cells specified by a given condition or criteria. So the condition or criteria we are going to use over here is like we will put a parenthesis, an opening bracket, and we'll type the range. So the range here we would like to actually enter the year. So you can see that we have a column of year, column B. So we'll type the first cell, starting cell of column B of the year for 2018, which is in the cell B5. So we'll first type first cell address, which is B5, and I'll put a colon, and we'll type the last cell address, which is B17, and I'll put a comma. And since we would like to find the total of the year 2016, so we'll type the year 2016 over here, and then we'll put a comma, and then we'll need to find out the total of the year 2016. Here you can see that the total of the year 2016 and of every year like 2016, 18, 20, 21 can be found in the column total of column G. So we will first put the first starting cell address, which is G5, and we'll put a colon, and I'll type the last cell address, which is G17, and I'll put a closing bracket, which is called parenthesis, and I'll press the enter key. So here you can see that it will give the value 277. Later on we will verify whether it is correct or not. So likewise we will now find the value for the year 2017. First we will put n equal to sign, and then we'll type SUMIF SUMIF, and we'll type B5 for years, column B, first starting cell address B5, then we'll put a colon, we'll type the last cell address B17, then we'll put a comma, and we'll type 2017, which is the year 2017, and we'll type the first cell address of the total G5, put a colon, and we'll type the last cell address G17, and put a closing parenthesis, and type and press the enter key. So for year 2018 we will first put n equal to sign. We will be actually using the same practice for every year, since you need to find different years, so we'll be typing different years number. So again we will type SUMIF, we'll put an opening parenthesis, we'll type B5, the first cell address, we'll type the B17, the last cell address, we'll type the year 2018, we'll put a comma, type G5, we'll type colon and type the last cell address G17, and put closing parenthesis, and then we'll press the enter key. And for 2020, year 2020, we will type is equal to sign, type SUMIF B5 B17 comma 2020, put a comma, type G5, type G17, doing the same practice for every year. And again the last cell, the last year which we are gonna find the total of it is to 2021. So we'll type equal to sign, we'll type SUMIF, and we'll put opening parenthesis, we'll type B5 colon B17 comma 2021 comma, and they'll type the first cell address of the total column G5, and then type the last cell address G17, and I'll put a closing parenthesis and we'll press the enter key. So you can say that we have calculated with the help of the SUMIF function total of every year. So we're going to verify it by selecting, since we would like to check the total of year 2016. So first we will select the year 2016 right from over here, and you can see that the total of this year is 279. And for the year 2017 we will first unselect all the cells from here we'll select the year 2017 and we'll see that the total of this year is 516. Here you can see that 516 is the total of year 2017. Then we will check the total of year 2018. The total is 590, so it means that we have actually applied this correct formula, and the formula has calculated the correct value for us. And we'll check the year 2020 total. Here you can see it's 1420, and here you can see and select all the cells. The total is summed to 1428, and the last year is 2021, and the total is 843. And here from here, if you select all the cells, and 843 is the total. So viewers, this is the one way of calculating sum total of cells year wise. It can be any kind of table, but the formula you can, once you have the clear concept of it, you can apply it according to your table conditions and criteria. The one more thing we can use, the benefit we can have from this function SUMIF is that if you would like to check all the values of the total of some certain values in the table range from cell F, from the column F, we can type such like if you would like to have the total of the values more above 70. Here you can see that there are different values like 87, 80, 70. Some are more than 70 and some are lesser than 70. Some are greater than 70 and some are lesser than 70. So we would like to, the criteria now we are going to apply is that we will have the total of the values which are greater than 70. So how it can be applied? It can be done like if we would like to show the total right over in this cell. First we will type an equal to sign right over here. We will type SUMIF, and we'll put a opening parenthesis, and we'll type the cell range which is from F5, put a colon, and we'll type the last cell address is F17, and we'll put a comma, and here we'll type double quotation marks, and within this quotation marks we will type the criteria that the condition that should be greater than, that the total we are going to have is greater than value 70. So it will provide you the total of all the values which are greater than 70, not lesser than 70 or equal to 70. So here we can see that how it is done. We'll put a closing parenthesis and type enter key, press enter key. So it gives us 641. So we're going to check it. Here we will select this filter, drop down arrow key, and from here we will select the number of filters, and we will select greater than here in this condition, and we will select this one, and it gives you the conditions. The custom auto filter shows where April, the month April is greater than the value 70. We will type 70. Since we would like to get the total of the values that are greater than 70, we'll select 70 and we'll press the OK button. So here you can see that it has filtered some values for us, but since we would like to check our SUMIF formula with that, all the calculations, that whether the calculation we have performed with the help of SUMIF is correct or not, we're gonna check from over here. So here you can see that I have selected these values from the cell F, which is the month of April, and the number of filters was that was greater than 70. So once we select all the values, so you can see that it gives you the sum of 641, which is the same value calculated by the function SUMIF. So thanks for watching.